How to contact TD customer service for credit card support. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to contact TD customer service for credit card support. In that case, what you have to do is open up a browser, type in TD Bank customer service. And next thing, what you have to do is go to the link provided on the top, and here you should be able to find all of the information or all of the details regarding how you can contact them. So in that way, you can contact the customer service for credit card support. That is all for this video. According to the question or the kind of topic that you're related issue, they have a specific customer service associated for them. So you could go ahead and contact on a toll-free number, and you should be able to get in help or get in touch with the customer service team. So that's all for this video. I hope your video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.